So instead of making a pattern and putting it in a PDF and sending it out and having y'all print it and all of that, I just decided to just do this and show you how to take the measurements to make a sock pattern. It's really cool. Okay, let's get started. What we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna show you a general measurement, okay? And you're gonna start, let's make your sock a total of, let's say 15 inches, and that'll be like the booty size, okay, that you saw, okay? So let's just draw a line, 15, okay? And then we're gonna come out 6 inches. Just come out 6 here, 6 here, and then 6 here. Got 2 lines, 15 inches, 6 inches apart. Okay, this is like your sock block. Okay. And that's the top. Okay, so this part is the toe, and this is the leg. All right, so I'm going to do about, this is about an average. I'm going to place a mark about 8.5 inches up, so because that's the foot. Just mark in, just do a little dash line. Now I'm doing all this on a dry erase, and I'll be able to erase some. Okay, so at the bottom, let's mark 3 inches. Okay, so it's 6 inches. Okay, no, let's do 4. Okay. Okay, we're gonna mark 4 inches. All right, and I'm just kind of making the shaping of the sock. Okay, all right. There's the shaping of the sock there. Okay. All right, so that's about halfway up. And what you want is a dart. All right, so let's come in about 1 inch on each side. Here's a dart. Okay. Okay, now this is the bottom of your sock. Okay. You're going to come in and do a dart. And then this is the toe box, so just round it out. Okay. All right, there is your bottom sock. Okay. And then what I want to do, all right, to do the top is straight. You don't have the dark line on the top. Okay, now if your foot is a little larger, yeah, you can make your toe box a little larger. Okay, and here's the top of the sock. There you go. There's your pattern. This, it will be the heel, and it'll help you determine how the sock you know, fits on your foot. So if you need a longer edge, I measured my foot. You remember when we was kids and we put our foot on that long ruler, that long silver ruler? Mine was about at 9. And depending on your fabric, how snug you want it, or make it as tall as you want. But this is the key right here. This is your heel. Make that dart. Here's the toe box, and here's the top. And you just stitch this part on top of it, and you got a sock. So do your darts. Stitch the top onto the bottom. I use a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Okay, and then I turn down the top edge and do elastic. Okay, you got a sock.